In this problem, we will find the interest rate of a continuously compounded problem. Our problem states to find the annual percentage rate to the nearest tenth of a percent for which $10 would grow to $50 in 4 years. The continuous compounding formula states that A, which is the total amount, equals PERT. We also call this formula the PERT formula, where P is the principal amount, R is the interest rate, and T is the time in years. So we're going to take this formula and plug in the information that we know. The total amount that this investment will have made at the end of 4 years is $50. So we'll replace A with 50. The initial amount invested is $10. So P is 10. E to the R, and the time in years is 4. So we'll replace the T in our formula with 4. When I look at this, the first thing I want to do, because I want to solve for R, which is in the exponent of the base E, I'm going to eliminate some other values in order to, so that we can get to that unknown variable. So the first thing I'm going to do is divide both sides by 10. Now my problem will simplify to 50 divided by 10 is 5. 10 divided by 10 reduces to 1, so we're left with E to the 4R. And I'm just going to write the 4 first because the coefficient should precede the variable. Now I'm going to apply the logarithm definition, and because I have a base of E, I know that 4R equals the natural log of 5. Now I'm closer to solving this equation finally for R, because again, that's what we were asked to find, which was the annual percentage rate. To solve for R, I need to divide both sides by 4. This reduces to R equals the natural log of 5 divided by 4. This is what we call the exact form, and sometimes it's okay to leave your answer when you're working with logarithms in the exact form. However, in our problem, we were specifically asked to find the annual percentage rate to the nearest tenth of a percent. So if you take your calculator and evaluate the natural log of 5 divided by 4, we'll find that R is 0.402. And if I multiply that by 100% to get it in a percentage, this turns out to be 40.2%. So the annual percentage rate to the nearest tenth of a percent for which $10 would grow to $50 is 40.2%. And this is how you find the rate using the continuously compounding formula.